How to allow or don't allow Health Connect permissions on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now, from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on Security and Privacy. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on More Privacy Settings. Next, go down and tap on Permission Manager. Then scroll down and tap on Health Connect. And here, tap on the apps that you want to allow or don't allow access to Health Connect. For example, Samsung Health. Here at the top, you can tap on the toggle button to remove. So here we remove all permission, or you can allow all permissions. Down here, you can allow permission one item at a time. So we've got distance, exercise, heart rate, and all that. And that's it. So that is how you can allow or don't allow app access to Health Connect data on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.